What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you guys a vlog of my labor and delivery. So at first I went to try and walk the baby out.
Perfect. Alright, when Dr. Neef checked you last time, we were at 1 centimeter. We'll get you there.
Still no dilation?
Not a whole lot. Took us 9 months to get here. Still got some more time.
Like 2 centimeters at least.
You're like barely a 1.
It's about 3 p.m., about to be 4 p.m. And I'm headed to the hospital because I think I'm in labor. We'll see what happens. We done packed up the car, so I hope I'm in labor for real, y'all.
Now we literally here and there's nobody here. Ugh. No one. I'm currently on the second floor, and then we'll see where it says labor and delivery. Now it is 9 p.m. and I'm at about 3.5 centimeters dilated, y'all. I thought I was further than this. I've been here since 4 o'clock. I did not have time to do my hair, y'all. These contractions are no joke. And yeah, they got me hooked up to an IV, giving me fluids. After I'm done getting the fluids, then I can walk around, bounce on the ball, and do whatever I have to. But for right now, I am just lying in bed, sipping on some ice cold water. But yeah, the contractions are coming and going. When they come, they're pretty bad. So, yeah. My pain tolerance is super high. That's probably why I'm still looking like this. But y'all, it still hurts real bad. First time moms right here have it the worst. Because I was having contractions all day and I dilated 1.5 centimeters. Yeah, it was ridiculous. I just couldn't figure out why I was hurting so much. Okay, yeah, this is how bunny I look. I'll keep y'all up to date when I go into labor officially and try to record the whole entire process. Yeah. The father of the child is in the hospital with me right now by myself. I went to go get her some food because we've been up there starving. Wasn't sure if they were gonna send me back home or keep me, but they decided to keep me since I dilated 2 centimeters since I was in the hospital. But yeah, this is no joke. The contractions, I feel like I would say the contractions feel like period cramps mixed with some extra pain. It's just different. You know, I don't know how to explain it. Definitely feel the cramping. And also, y'all, when I'm cramping, even like my butthole be hurting, like everything be hurting. But you know, you gotta try to breathe through the contractions. That's what they tell me. I'm trying to breathe through it. And I will be taking my placenta home, like I've mentioned in the previous videos. And I will also not be vaccinating the baby. Ugh. But I'm handling this like a G. Doesn't look like it hurt that bad. But it's painful as hell. And it's only gonna get worse from here, from what I've heard. So yeah. Even my baby Jade's alright. Let's watch some TV. And chill. Breathe through these contractions. Hopefully we have this baby by midnight tonight. Or hopefully tomorrow morning. Right now, it is the next day. I'm still at the hospital. I was just yeah, right now I'm 7 centimeters dilated. We're just waiting on him to come. They broke my water this morning at 8. Right now it's 10 something. So yeah, we're just waiting right now. So I'll keep y'all up to date of how my labor and delivery is going. They have me on a peanut ball. They're supposed to help me dilate quicker. But yeah, I think the peanut worked. Because last night when I was on the peanut without the epidural, yeah, I was having a lot of contractions. Put my phone. Oof, I'm having contractions again. Y'all, these contractions go straight to your butthole. What? Pressing the button for the door. Hey, don't stick your head at me. That's why I was able to sleep last night. If I didn't get that for I would not be able to sleep.
I know, that's what I said. I went to sleep. Last night I said I was gonna go to sleep. If I did not go to sleep, I don't know how I was gonna push to sleep now. I was gonna pass it out and then I'd push it. I was so tired. I've been up since 4 a.m., y'all. I've been having contractions since 4 a.m. the day before today.
So to take the placenta home, you need to bring your own cooler. They say they'll give us the ice. They say they'll give us the ice for the cooler, but we have to bring our own thing to put it in, which is fine. And then I had to sign a paper that says I will be taking my placenta home with me. And I also won't be vaccinating him, but I will be like a NK vaccine, because he will need it to get circumcised. That's the only vaccine we're doing. And like this thing, rubbing his eyes and stuff. So yeah, I'm following through everything I said I was gonna do. Doing them. Doing them. I might juice my placenta, I don't know. But I heard the nurse say when you juice your placenta, it tastes really raw, like drinking raw meat. 7 centimeters dilated. We'll be taking my placenta home. No vaccines for the baby.